What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canvaplay.
Hello, good arts and godsends. It's your good art VA Simon once again, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. Here, we will share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. For those who are new to this channel, you can subscribe to our channel if you find it helpful and get updated on the latest posts we share here from time to time by turning on your notifications. Layering glow and gloss effects can help create nice, shiny objects and a neon shadow effect. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add some bright, glowing neon text and overlay it in an image to create a very stylistic design that is purely made in Canva. Let's get started and start creating the design called Neon Text Shadow Effect. This is the sample that I will create. I am now in a blank Canva design editor. I am a Keanu Reeves fan, that is why I chose his picture to be my subject photo in doing this design. I will now get the picture, I will go to uploads, and drag the photo inside. This is a photo taken from other photo stock sites and searched it using his name, Keanu Reeves. I'm gonna duplicate it to make it 2 images. Using the above photo, I will set the image as my background. Using the duplicated photo, I will remove its background. I will go to edit image and remove the background using the background remover. If you are a pro version user, you can automatically remove the background under edit image. If you are a free version user, you can use the free alternative background remover like remove.bg. I will put in the description box below the link to this alternative. If you want to have a Canva Pro account, I have a link in the description below that will give you access to 30 trial days of Canva Pro. It's completely free and you can cancel it at any time you want, hassle-free. Going back, I will align this photo to the background. Then, I will change the photo settings. I'll go to edit image, find adjust, see all, and I'll change the blur, -5, clarity, 22. Then, I will lock it. To explain, I applied the settings to make it more evident because will be going to be my base photo. So I am now ready to create the neon text shadow effect. Create a new page. I will make my background color to black. And take note, this is a must. You must make your background colors to black when creating the neon text. Go to text and add a heading and type a text. Here, I will type the name of my photo subject, who is Keanu Reeves. Now, I will set my font look first. The font style, first, let's go to font name. You can change the font of your text if you want. Like this in this example, I want to use the font name Montserrat, semi-bold, And I'll change the font size to 75. Color, white. And I'll change the font style to bold, italic, and alignment, center. And the spacing, letter spacing should be 0, line spacing 1, anchor text box to middle. Please note that this setting of the font can be changed depending on your preferences. But on this last setting that I will use, this is mandatory. So using the text, I'll go to effects and I'll choose the style neon since I am doing a neon text shadow effect. I will change the style and reduce the intensity to 1. The next step is I will fill the whole page with this text I created. So to add a design, I will duplicate this text and retype the name backwards. Then I will duplicate it one by one and make it as a one line. I'll position them like this to create a text with a different positioning. Then I will group per line. And now I'm ready to duplicate it and make it occupy the whole page. I will now select them all and position them vertically. Okay, going back. I will now download this as a PNG and upload it back to Canva. Let's go back to the page above with my subject photo. And after I downloaded the text that we created a while ago, I will now get it from uploads. So here is the PNG photo of the text I uploaded. Using this image, I will apply another settings for this one. Go to edit image, find adjust settings, see all, and apply this. Brightness 45, contrast 50, saturation 100, vibrance 100, highlights 100, shadows negative 100. Then I'll change the transparency to 25. After changing the settings, align it with the background to occupy the whole page. Then, after it, I will send it to back. Then lock it. Drag again the PNG text photo from uploads. And this time, we will apply another adjust settings for this photo. So using this image, go to edit image again. Adjust, see all. And apply this. Brightness, negative 55. Contrast, 0. Saturation, 15. Blur, 10. Warmth, negative 100. Please note, in using the warmth settings, if your photo is in a lighter shade like the photo I used here, the settings of the warmth is negative 100 to pull down the intensity. But if you are using photos with strong shades or darker shades, the settings of the warmth should be increased or should be 100. So you can play around with the settings, depends on your preferences. To continue with the settings, clarity 100, vibrance 100, highlights 100, shadows negative 100. Then I'll change the transparency to 30. And like the one that I sent at the back, I will align this with the background as an overlay again. Then I will lock it. Done. Take a look at the final design I made. That's it. For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Simon, your good heart VA, saying sharing is caring. In behalf of Pinky, God-sent VA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video from Pinky with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys, see you in the next video.